Dreamy Bedtime World. The Friends of Brave Farm. It was a bright, peaceful morning on Sunnyfield Farm. The sun peeked over the green hills, casting a warm golden glow on everything. Farmer Jack and all his animal friends were starting their day, full of energy and big smiles. "Good morning, everyone," Farmer Jack called out cheerfully, tipping his hat. "Let's make today a happy one." The cow, Daisy, stretched and let out a happy moo. "The grass is so fresh and green today." Next to her, Percy the pig wiggled his snout. "Oing! This looks like a perfect day for a wonderful mud bath." In the coop, Henrietta the hen was busy with her little ones. "Cluck, cluck. Look at that! My chicks are learning to peck all by themselves." And watching over them all was Barnaby, the dog, his tail wagging. "Woof! Don't you worry. I'll keep an eye on everyone and make sure we all have a great day." Everyone was happy and busy, enjoying the beautiful morning. But suddenly, something strange happened. The bright blue sky began to turn a dark, gloomy gray. Big, heavy clouds gathered overhead, and a strong, chilly wind started to blow through the fields, rustling the leaves on the trees. Farmer Jack looked up, his brow furrowed with worry. "Oh no! A storm is coming. We have to close the barn door quickly to stay safe and dry." Barnaby the dog sprang into action. "Woof! I'll help get the little chicks to safety. Follow me, everyone." The animals didn't hesitate for a second. They all rushed to help. Daisy the cow and Percy the pig used their strength to help block the strong, gusty wind. Henrietta the hen clucked softly, gathering all her tiny chicks under her warm, protective wings. Daisy stood firm against the barn door. "Hold on, little ones. I'll stand right here in front of the door to keep the wind out." Percy grunted with effort, pushing a big bale of hay. "I'll push this hay to make a wall. Stay right behind me. It's safer here." Henrietta cooed to her chicks, keeping them calm. "Cluck, cluck. Everyone stay close together. And don't be afraid. We're all here for each other." Just then, the rain began to pour down in big, heavy drops. Thunder rolled like a giant drum across the sky, and the wind howled and whistled through the fields. It was a very big storm. But inside the barn, everyone was working together, keeping the space safe and warm. They were a team. After what felt like a long time, the rain softened, the thunder faded into a distant rumble, and the wind calmed down. The storm had finally passed. Slowly, the dark clouds parted, and the sun shone through again. And there, stretching across the sky, right above the farm, was a beautiful, brilliant rainbow. Farmer Jack opened the barn door and smiled, his heart full of pride. "You did it, my brave, wonderful friends. You all worked together and kept everyone safe." Barnaby wagged his tail so hard his whole body wiggled. "Woof! We worked as a team. That's what friends do." Daisy nodded in agreement. "Yes, no storm is too big when we all help each other out." Percy the pig looked up at the sky in awe. "And look, the rainbow is smiling down at us. It's like a prize for being so brave," Henrietta added with a happy cluck. "I think the farm looks even more beautiful and happier now." Farmer Jack looked at all his amazing animals with so much love. He realized that Sunnyfield Farm wasn't just a place with crops and animals. It was a home filled with friendship, courage, and care. From that day on, Sunnyfield Farm became known far and wide as the Brave Farm, a special place where everyone worked together and looked after one another, no matter what challenges came their way. If you enjoyed our story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun tales. We can't wait to see you again soon. Bye bye.